Hello guys, welcome to Sweetie Multi Art and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange peel at home and also 10 benefits of orange peel and its uses. If you have interest to know this, please continue video till end. So first thing, you need this orange peel and cut it into small pieces. Dry it for 4 to 5 days or else 1 week, depends upon peel thickness. I have dried it completely for 1 week and you will get to know that dry once crispy like this, and break it and check it out. If there is no moisture in that peels, then it's ready for powder. Now I am grinding it with grinder. You can add little bit and grind it. Make a fine powder. Should be there very finely. So here is done orange peel powder. Then you have to do strain it for 2 times in cotton cloth. If you have very sensitive skin, you have to compulsory strain it for 2 times. Then preserve this in airtight container, then use it for scrub and pack. Now I'm showing you here how to use this. Take as your wish how much you want quantity. Now I'm taking here 1 spoon of orange peel powder and adding rose water. You can also add curd, honey or else normal water also. I am using here rose water and normal water for paste. Mix it well. I am doing first here scrub. I am showing you on my hand and see the result how it's work. So let's know about orange peel benefits. So you know that orange is one of the most beneficial fruit found on the earth, right? Well, do you know that the peel of orange that we usually discard are also equal beneficial from brightening our skin to refertilize our body? Orange peel powder has a number of magical powers. Let us explore top 10 of them here. 1. Get glowing skin. Orange peel powder is a wonderful ingredient which, when incorporated in a regular face packs or facial masks, can add a natural glow to our skin. Regular application of orange peel powder to skin can provide significant protection from dagging, UV radiation, and help us getting rid of ugly sun tans. 2. Lightening your skin tone. Being loaded with citric acid, orange peel powder works as a natural bleach for our skin, so it can be effectually used for lightening our skin tone. Mix some water and squeeze off of lemon into it. Now use this consciously for facial steam and see the result. 3. Unclog skin pores. If you have oily skin, the chances are big that you suffer from clogged pores and develop a lot of blackheads. A mask prepared by peel powder and yogurt can bring you amazing result. It will not only unclog your skin pores by pulling dirty and excess oil out, but it will also diminish your existing blackheads also. 4. Treating pimples and acne. As I said in the previous point, orange peel powder can keep our skin pores open by eliminating all stores of impurities from it. It means it can drive away the factors which can directly or indirectly cause skin infections like acne and pimples. So just prepare an exfoliating mask by combining orange peel powder with rose water and get rid of sudden breakouts. 5. Remove scars and marks. The powder obtained from orange peel is not only effective in treating skin infection, but it also capable of significantly reducing the scars or marks left by them. Due to its bleaching property, the powder can work it on all types of bleaches and lightening the skin of that portion to make the marks invisible. 6. Fight against aging. Orange is a great source of antioxidants which help us combat harmful free radicals and keep our skin cells youthfully. Therefore, including orange peel powder in our daily skincare regions can be extremely helpful in keeping all the signs of aging, wrinkleless, sagging skin, fine lines, and dark spots, etc. at day. 7. Tone your skin up. Orange peel powder is not only full of antioxidants, but it is also loaded with vitamin C. It can regulate the production of sebum in our skin, as thereby balancing its natural oil skin well as making it fair and healthy. In other words, the orange peel powder can work as natural astringent and tones the skin up. 8. Get lustrous hair. The antioxidant content of our orange peel powder is also very beneficial for our hair. If we apply this on our scalp regularly, our hair will become soft and lustrous. It can bring unrolled hair under control and add amazing natural shine to it. 9. Reduce inflammations. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, orange peel can give us relief from all type of inflammations. Therefore, a paste prepared by orange peel powder can be used for getting rid of infections or inflammation caused by insects or and other factors. 10. Rejuvenate yourself. The delicate scent of orange peel is very refreshing and hence it can be for rejuvenating our entire body also. All we need to do is to mix same orange peel powder with our bathing water. It will keep us fresh all through the day. So this is the benefits of orange peel powder. So if you like this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and click all option. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling. Bye bye.